What is going on, everybody? Welcome to the 35th Pygame tutorial video. In this video, what we're going to be talking about is upgrading our apples. So our snake looks pretty darn good at the moment, but our apple is pretty boring. So our snake looks cool, but our apple is just a square. So in this video, what we're going to be talking about is updating our apple. Whoops. Anyway, and in fact, interestingly enough, I just happened to spot a little bit of a glitch there. If we're going like this, let's try this again. Right, so our snake head is facing the wrong way after a game over. So let's go ahead and fix that really quick as well. Quit. Okay. To fix that, we should just need to... okay, so here's our direction. I thought we were already changing that because I think we affect direction, yeah, down here. So we're just going to call it quick direction equals right one more time in this script. That way every time the game loop begins, so just the initial, we'll be facing the correct direction. So let's just test that really quick, and we'll just let it game over here, proceed, play again, and yeah, we're facing the right direction now. Okay, cool. So now what we want to do is we want to update the apple. Seriously. So let's open up Paint, and just as a quick aside, the apple's thickness was 30. I'm just trying to find it. Here it is, 30. So we want a picture of our apple to be 30 by 30. So let's open up Paint. Where is Paint? There it is. And this time we'll go to resize, and it will be 30 pixels, and then by 30. And then I'm going to zoom in a little bit. And then now I'll draw my apple. I'm not the best, but the apple looks something like that's a heart. A couple trial and error, and we'll have a good looking apple here. Cool. That's good enough. I want to make the edges go all the way if I can, and then we'll do the exact same thing over here. So at the moment it really looks like a heart, but that's okay. Hopefully y'all's looks a little better than mine, but you know, we'll fill that, and then an apple has, you know, like a little stem, and then we have leaves on an apple, so we'll add some leaves here. Awesome. Oh my goodness. Boom, boom. And let's do this just to give it a little rounded look. And now we have ourselves an apple. Okay? Easy enough. So then we'll go File, Save As, and we'll save this one. I've already made an apple, but I'll save this one as apple2.png. Close out. And now we want to have that transparent background, so I'm going to pull up GIMP and quickly do a transparent background on that. Again, it's not absolutely necessary, especially because our background is white, but it will help the game look a little bit better if we do give it a transparent background. And since it doesn't take too long with GIMP or most applications, we're going to go ahead and do that. So open, and this one is in desktop, Bucky, Apple 2, colors, color to alpha, okay, file, export, export, replace, export, done. Okay, and we'll discard those. So now what we want to do is we're going to go up to near the top of our script, and just underneath img, which is our snake head, we're going to do apple img, and that's going to equal pygame.image.load, and then we'll use the one I just made, so apple2.png. And then once you have the apple image, the main thing that we want to change is where we're actually drawing the apple. So it's near the bottom for sure, so I thought. Yeah, this would be it right here. So this is where we're drawing our apple. So I'm going to go ahead and just comment that line out because we're no longer going to draw the apple with the draw rect. Instead, we're going to draw our apple with an image display. So to do that, we have game display. So this is the surface. that we want it to go to, and then we're going to blit to surface. And then what do we want to blit? Well, we want to blit the apple image. And then where do we want to blit it? That's going to be rand apple X and then rand apple Y. And that should blit it to our surface. Let me clear out this space, and let's save and run that, see how we did. Welcome to Slither C. So now we see we have a nice, lovely apple there. Nom 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 nom. Eat that up. Nice. Oh, got it. Cool. So now we've got an apple, we've got a nice looking snake, we still need score, and we still need to upgrade our icon. So we're going to be working on that in the next video. Also, I did happen to notice, aside from the other error, since we've changed the apple up a little bit, the apple is no longer a 10 by 10. It's plausible that the apple is somewhat off of the screen, so we're going to work on fixing that as well. So stay tuned for that. As always, thanks for watching.